Past paper questions. Past paper questions. Now, dear students, I've written for you past paper questions, and question number 1 is simplify half raised to index 2 by 3 and whole raised to index 3 or cube. So it is very easy. So you see that this power 3 is also being applied to this. So what will be the net result? We'll also apply cube to this 2 also. So it will become 8. The next step will be x. Since it is 1 by 8, we have applied the power cube over here. So the next is 2 by 3 multiply power 3. So this 3 and this 3 will cancel. So it will become square only. 1 by 8, 1 by 8, cube is being applied over here and cube is being applied over here also. It will cancel. So it will become 1 upon 8x square. Question number 2. There was only one question, one part in question number 1. Question number 2 says, what does it says now? Simplify. Now we have to simplify things. So dear students, you see that this long figure is given to you 3125 T125 divided by. Now this is very easy, but we have to factorize 3100. I started from here. Since it is 5, it is only divisible by 5. 5 6 times 30, 2 times 10, and 5 times 5, 1 times, 2 times, and 5 times 5. You'll see that 5 fives, 5 fives will come in a row. 2 times, 5 times, 5 times, and 5. As I told you that you'll see that 5 fives, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fives will come in a row, and it happens that 5 fives have came in a row. So we'll pick up only one out of here because it is 1 by 5. And what does it mean? It means that it is the fifth root of whatsoever it is written here, T 125. So this whole thing is equal to this, and when you have to find the fifth root, you will just factorize the digit whatsoever it is given to you. So it will become 5. Now this ended in 5. Now what about this t? The t will become 125 divided by 5. And 125 when divided by 5 will become 25. 5. You see that 125 when divided by 5, 5, 2 times 10 and 5, 5 times. The net answer is 25. So simplify. Find the value of P. B. Find the value. Value of P when 3p, 3p raised to power 1 upon past paper question. Simplify question number 2, part B. Simplify the value of p when 3p is equal to 1 upon 9. Now, instead of a numerical value, we are given with the alphabetical value over here, and that is p. We have done this sort of question in our practice. So, it is a piece of cake again. So, it is like this 3p, or you can write it like this to make the basis same. Now, since the bases are same, the bases are likely to be same, but this is a whole number, this is a fraction. So what we do, we'll just do it like this. We'll bring this whole thing over here. It will become, now this is the law that when the bases are same, there is a sign of equality in between them, then the powers or indices are same. Now the p is equal to minus 2. Last question of of today is coming up, and that is C, the last part of today's lecture. So what it does right here is find the value of W when x raised to index 72 plus x raised to power W, and that is equal to x raised to power 8. Need not worry, okay, because here we are with x, here we are with x, here we are with x. There is a numerical value in the index, an alphabetical value in the index, and a numerical value in the index. It is nothing doing because this whole thing is equal to this. We'll apply the same rule. We'll apply the same rule over here, that this whole thing, this whole RHS, this whole left hand side is equal to right hand side. So what is the trouble over here? That we'll only take the values which are written in the indices. That means 72 plus W is equal to 8. This is why we have done, because this whole thing, the whole side is equal to this whole side. That means the whole powers or the whole indices is equal to this index. So 72 plus W. Now you can easily solve this. W is equal to 8 minus 72 is equal to minus 64. It is very easy question. So I hope you would have understood this thing. So my dear students, it's time to say you goodbye. The time is already been over. We have been over timing it. So it's time to say you goodbye till next lecture, and we'll be doing lines, angles and shape in our next lecture. This is a new lecture, and this is chapter number 3. We have come to the end of the chapter number 2. I hope that you have enjoyed staying with me in chapter number 1 and chapter number 2, and we'll be doing chapter number 3 in our next section. So it's time to say you goodbye. Allah Hafiz.